Hey everyone, today's video I want to address to someone who is using professional software and needs some time to record either a screencast or a step-by-step screenshot driven ScribeHow instruction for someone else and actually don't need all the data visible on the actual tool of use, for example like here in Jira or in Shopify admin panel or anywhere else where the sensitive data is being displayed to be on the screen or to be part of the screenshots or a screencast. How to make this blur is usually it's made either in the YouTube editor in YouTube Studio or in the professional video editing software, but it does take much time to re-render the video. So I wanted to show how to make it right away in the browser. So what we're gonna use is CSS property filter called blur. You can see the documentation of this filter here and see how it works. As simple as that, we just copy the property and looking to implement it somewhere. So we just pull the inspect element and see it on the window here. And let's say we really want to make this section blurred, and we just put in the element style blur, and here you go. And the page itself will be still fully functional, and you can do everything else that is possible to be done here, but this element will be not visible and be blurred. Obviously that will go away if we'll refresh the page, so just be aware that it is a temporarily and will vanish when you will refresh. Thank you very much and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.